Hi, Sam here with Reverie. Today we're going to talk about our 3-in-1 adjustable legs for the Reverie adjustable bed bases. Here you can see we have a 5-inch and a 3-inch. These can either be used separately, so you can have your bed at 5 inches, or you can have your bed at 3 inches, or you can screw them together to make an 8-inch leg. If you do decide to screw them together to make an 8-inch leg, just be careful when you're putting them together to not over tighten. If you over tighten it, it can be very difficult to get it off. What you can do if your system does come and say your system already has the 8-inch legs on and you want to go down to 3 or 5, put the bed on its side. You can take the legs off easily and then just unscrew. Select the size you'd like to use. Take the cap off and put it on whatever size you want to use, and then put it back on the bed. If for some reason, if you're not able to get the legs apart, it's very difficult, what you can use is an oil filter wrench, which will be very helpful in gripping onto that without damaging the leg and giving you some more leverage to turn that.